This is a 2012 Toyota Camry. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Features include a sunroof, Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, side curtain airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, an anti-lock braking system, front fog lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.